video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google account from all your devices. This process is particularly useful if you're looking to secure your account after suspecting any unauthorized access, or if you've recently upgraded to a new device and want to ensure that your old devices no longer have access to your personal information. Let's dive right in and accomplish this step by step. First, begin by opening your Google account settings. This can be done by simply clicking on your profile icon, which is generally located in the upper right-hand corner of most Google services like Gmail. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see a few options. Among these, select Manage Your Google Account. This link will take you to your main account settings page from where you can control many aspects of your Google presence and interactions. On the account settings page, look for the Security tab, often found in the left-hand side menu. Click on this tab to access more detailed security settings related to your Google account. This area provides a wealth of options for keeping your account safe. As you scroll through the security section, you will find an option labeled Manage All Devices. Click on this option, which opens a list of devices currently or recently logged into your Google account. It's a comprehensive list that shows each device and the last time it accessed your account. Now, pay close attention to this device list. You're looking for any device that you do not recognize as yours. It's vital to be thorough during this step because unrecognized devices could potentially indicate unauthorized access to your account. If you spot a device that seems unfamiliar, click on it to view more details. This action will provide information about the device and its most recent activity related to your account. The final action to take on an unrecognized device is to click Sign Out. This will log the device out of your Google account. Unfortunately, it will not have access unless your login information is re-entered. By signing out this device, you add an extra layer of security, effectively barring potential unauthorized access. Taking these steps will ensure that your Google account is only accessed by devices you recognize and trust. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to safeguard your personal data and maintain your privacy. Thank you for joining me today in this practical guide. Happy account removing.